Upwork is the largest global freelancing platform where businesses and independent professionals connect. In 2024 alone, Upwork generated over $740 million in revenue, with the average client spending nearly $5,000. So there is a money to be made, but only if you understand how this platform really works. On Upwork, people who need work done are called clients. People who do the work are called freelancers. Client posts jobs, freelancers send proposal. Think of Upwork like a secure middleman that holds your payment safely until the work is done. When you get hired, the client doesn't pay you directly upfront. Instead, Upwork holds the payment in escrow, a secure holding system, until the work is complete and approved. That means you don't have to chase clients for money. The client can't back out after you have done the work as long as you deliver as agreed. You get peace of mind knowing the money is there before you even start working. For fixed price projects, once the client approves your milestone or final delivery, the funds are released to you. For hourly projects, you track your time using Upwork's time tracker and you get paid automatically every week for the hours logged as long as you follow the rules. So remember, Upwork isn't just a marketplace, it's a system designed to keep your earnings safe while you focus on delivering great work. There are thousands of jobs live on Upwork at any time in categories like web and mobile app development, graphic design, AI and machine learning, and marketing automation. While fields like data entry, copywriting, and virtual assistants were once easier to break into, the competition today is tougher than ever. So don't expect quick wins. You will need to be strategic, consistent, and professional to stand out. When you find a job that matches your skill, the next step is to sending a proposal. This is your first impression, your chance to stand out from the crowd. Let me share some important tips that can really boost your chances. Don't repeat your profile info. Clients can already see your title, rate, and previous jobs. Never copy-paste generic letters. Clients spot templates instantly and will skip your proposal. Lead with the client's problem, like what are they trying to fix, what's frustrating them. Use the client's name if you can find it in the feedback section of their profile or past job listings. Show you understand their project. Reflect their language back to them. Mention something specific they wrote. Be brief but specific. Don't tell your life story, just enough to make them curious and click your profile. Your profile is just as important as your proposal, sometimes even more. Many clients skip straight to your profile before reading a full page. That's why it needs to be strong, clear, and convincing. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting for their first client to build a portfolio. So don't do that mistake. Instead, create your own sample project to prove what you can do. These can be mockups, demo videos, short articles, designs, or any type of work that matches the services you offer. Clients want proof, even if you are brand new. So showing real example of your skill builds confidence and trust. Here are some tips for creating a solid profile. Add at least 3 strong samples related to the jobs you are applying for. Use a clean and clear title and description for each sample so clients know what they are looking at. Write a short explanation with each sample about what the goal was and how you approached it. Focus on quality over quantity. Polished and relevant is better than random or rushed. Think of your profile as your online shop window. Make it attractive enough for clients to stop, look, and want to hire you. Great profiles win projects. Great projects earn great reviews, and those reviews affect your job success score, which means JSS. Upwork's review system includes private feedback, public star rating, and written testimonials. Your JSS is recalculated every 2 weeks and impact badges like rising talent, top rated, or expert rated. To maintain a high JSS, only accept jobs you can deliver 100%. Set clear expectation from day one and always ask for review. Upwork takes identity seriously. You may be asked to verify your government ID like passport, license, location, especially for US job, visual identity like selfie or video check, your phone number, and set up 2-step verification for security. Complete all verification early to build trust and unlock more job opportunities. In 2025, Upwork isn't just about signing up and getting paid. It's about strategy, quality, and consistency. You have to master these 3 things: personalized proposals, strong work samples, consistent 5-star reviews. By mastering these, you will be well on your way to landing jobs and growing your freelance career. On Upwork, it's all about showing clients you are the best solution for their needs and building a lasting professional reputation. I hope you found this video helpful and that it gave you a clear path to getting started on Upwork. If you learned something new, give it a like and feel free to drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.